Nauna ang yabang ng NCR, marami pa daw kakaining bigas ang Davao. Nagpaulan tuloy ng 3 ang Davao Boys, almost perfect game para sa defending champion. Total team effort, halos lahat merong ambag offensively. Ready to defend the crown ng Davao Boys bukas kalaban ng Calabarzon.
On the defense, Baterbonia kontra Cambraga, inside, and the first basket of the game for Rene Baterbonia. And we got it away. Here comes Rocket. Open look from Oraa. Knocks down the 3. The miss. Another rebound. Babalik ang Cayetano. That's a 3. Big time shot to start the game for Matt Cayetano. Balik ang Rices Bainting with 7 to shoot. The entry pass to Paul Estardante. The hook shot using the left hand. Maki Pellegrino races down the court. That's wide open from Maki Pellegrino. Hook for 3. Rebound. Great athletic play from Rockid. And scores.
This is where you miss Rene Baterbonia inside.
Plenty of time on the shot clock. Bayanban. That's a 3. Dante. Inside to Sanoria. To the corner. Luwage for 3. On the way. Yes, sir! Now against good luck with Kubata. Swings it over. Luwage. That's his second straight 3 of the quarter from Aaron Luwage. This is Bayanting. Sanoria. Bayanban at the buzzer. Got it! A 3-point party in the first quarter for the Davao Eagles, Ron.
Dying and living off the 3, and this time they're living off the 3.
Brabaga with the catch, and ball knocked loose. Bayanting picks it up. Floater is up and good.
This is Bainting picking it up, right place at the right time for that float shot.
Great catch from Ion Braga underneath.
And again for Braga, better touches for him.
Bayanban from straight away. Oh my goodness! This second quarter. Baterbonia pops out. He'll try a 3. Oh wow! Para dito sa NCR. Rockid trying to step a notch and gets the roll.
Receiving end.
Bayanting swings it over to Sanoria. 3 is good!
Here in the second quarter, again dying off the 3. Oh, but they mishandled the ball. James Sanoria.
And here comes NCR. Wants to go on the fast break. He drives and scores. Cisco Rockid. Ball tapped out. Sanoria. He puts it up and scores.
Game.
Oraa with a beautiful bounce pass. The tip is good from De Los Reyes. And the big guys to make his move. Pabalik sa labas. Sends it over to Bayanting. Another one! That's a 3-pointer for Risus Bayanting. Doon. Tumatakbo na dito si Cisco Rockid off the crossover. And there's a body bomb foul called. Oh! Some tempers flared as Orca, Brian Orca, now goes to work. That shot was knocked away. Able to find Sanoria and gets it to fall. Maneuvering in the paint. The kick out, quick release. And gets the bounce from Miko Abellar. And from the big man. And here comes Rockid running down the court. Pascual, quick shot. Knocks down a 3. Now matching up against Okibata. Bayanting from the foul line. And gets the roll. And here comes Miko Abellar struggling. Able to pick it up and lays it in. Oh, that was a bad gamble from the Eagles.
Even Coach Jess, very frustrated on that play.
Especially from the 3-point line. Bayanting, he stops on the dime. Got it! Oraa with 4 to shoot. Got trapped in the corner. De Los Reyes has to fire away and nails the jumper in striking distance. Pascual inside to De Los Reyes against Baterbonia. The hook shot is good. Thomas Cruz to Oraa. He'll try a 3 and knocks it down. Pellegrino passes it off to Baterbonia. Gets it right back. Scores and 1. Oraa goes to work. Finds Pascual from top of the key for 3. That's a big time hit to work. Has to make a shot. Luwage at the buzzer. Good! To work with para kang Panganiban. Finds Braga underneath against Baterbonia. Nice post play. And the deuce.
Yes, working his magic into this one.
Rockid. Pabalik ang Braga. This time he'll shoot from the foul line and hits it. It's over. Now post up. He puts it up and gets the roll. Big shot from Maki Pellegrino. And here comes Rockid on the other end. Off the crossover. And lays it in. Now on the post-up. Baterbonia goes closer. Reverse is up and in. Rene Baterbonia spins out. And here comes the Metro Stars ng NCR. Rocket pushing the tempo and the layup is good. That's Orca. Fires. Hits it. Stardante contra Cambraga. He puts it up and in. Big bucket. Main facilitator. That's Brian Orca. Scoop shot is up and down. Takes across the timeline. Baterbonia looks to challenge Braga. Bayan Ban. Three is good. Oh my!
Big time three there by Aaron.
But Rocket able to pick it up. 9 to work with on the shot clock. Fires and hits.
Sa huli nga ay panalo dito ang Davao Eagles kung saan pasok na nga sila sa finals kalaban ng Calabarzon.